Temperatures are going to be on test 1. And with temperatures, we count in decimal points. We count 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and then the next number. So let's look at the thermometer. You can see that there are some missing numbers. So here we have 92, and then we've got 4. So this is actually 94. There's just not enough room to put all of those numbers. So we've got 92, and here's 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, 104, and 106. But what about all of these numbers, these lines in between? So here's 92 and here's 94. So this would be 93. Here's 94 and here's 96. So this line would be 95. So when we're looking at this thermometer, we have to be looking at all of the missing numbers. And on your test, if you would like to write in your missing numbers before reading the actual temperature, that would be just fine. So once we have the big numbers filled in, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Once we have those filled in, then we could go to the 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8, and that's what these are in between. So here we've got 92, and then 92.2, 92.4, 92.6, 92.8, and then the next number, which is 93. Then we have 93.2, 93.4, 93.6, 93.8, and then the next number, which is 94. Notice that the normal temperature is right here, and it's 98.246. The normal temperature is 98.6. So any number in this chart, in this thermometer, could be filled out on the test, and so you have to fill that out. And remember, you have to look at what number comes before and what number comes after. Because for this number right here, you might think, oh, well, it comes closer to this line, but that doesn't matter. This is the 98, so it's somewhere in the 98 range because it's not quite yet to the 99 range. So we know it's 98 point something because it's not to 99 yet. So that's how all of these numbers go. You have to make sure to look between all the lines and make sure that you are in between. You don't choose a number that is too high. Also, keep this in mind right here. It says readings that fall between the lines are rounded up. And what that would mean is that if, for instance, if you thought that it looked like the answer was 97.1, it would be rounded up to 97.2. So the number after the decimal point is always going to be either a 0.2, a 0.4, a 0.6, or a 0.8. Okay, or a 0.0 like 97.0. So it can never be between those. Also, we're taking these readings in Fahrenheit. We're not going to be doing Celsius at all. So if I asked you, what was this point right here, you would say, well, it's between the 95 and the 96. It's not quite 96 yet, so it would be 95 still. And you'd say 95.2468. This would be 95.8. And that's about what you have to do for the test. This could be on both the state test as well as for sure on test number 1 in our class.